Discover the secrets of fishing using a drone. Amazing details about this product. SwellPRO. SwellPRO Fisherman Drone, FD1 Fishing Basic Bundle with PL1-F Payload Release, CP01.004DZ01.012. Hi. Welcome my friends. The SwellPRO Fisherman is the only waterproof fishing drone engineered to deliver your baits and long lines up to 1.6 kilometers. The Fisherman means you don't need a boat to get to the best coastal fishing spots. Shore-based anglers can dramatically extend the casting range and drop multiple baits up to 2 kilograms at once. In the box, 1X aircraft, 1X remote controller, 2X pair, propellers, 1X drone battery, 1X balance charger, 1X micro USB cable, 1X PL1-F payload release. If you're looking for a drone that is able to drop baits, this is it. I didn't get the camera or anything fancy, just the basic drone setup with bait release. I have flown it a few times just to get used to it and understand the controls. The instructions that came with it are very easy to understand and helped me calibrate the compass, electronics, etc. Although one thing to understand is the control display on the controller are metric. No big deal really, you'll just need to convert them in your head. I flew in winds that were gusting up to 20 miles per hour, carrying approximately 3 pounds without issue. Flight distance at the farthest was 300 meters. It could have went farther, I just chose to drop it there. Battery life was sufficient to drop several times. Connecting to satellites and connecting the remote to the drone was easy and fairly quick. Charging the battery was roughly 45 minutes. I have purchased a second battery and plan on getting another. Make sure when ordering batteries you order the correct plug. This FD1 model requires an XT90 connector. I'm fairly new to drones and flying, so my knowledge is limited, but this was an easy drone to learn and fly on. If you want a good solid work drone for fishing, this is it. I'll be updating every so often on longevity and functions to hopefully help others out. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.